Ryan Little.
Yeah, why would you build your four walls up, then push away the people that pulled strings to place you where you are now? I bet you still don't give a fuck. Your reputation's ruined. Rest your head, you haven't figured this out at all. Somebody that you've seen on a screen, and you gotta be kidding me when you're calling me again at 2 a.m. It's incredible when you crawl into my skin, falling all into you. So I'll say, hey, it's me again, I'm wondering, have you been? The moon has cycled through its phases, but I haven't seen you since. You must be hiding on the dark side, just lie with all your games. Like the time we go on car rides to try to blow my brains, but nowadays you're so afraid of even hitting me up. You found a way and I'm amazed of everything you become. Your mascara smeared sideways when you with me and drunk. I guess the clouds of marijuana smoke be keeping us young. See, I know when you get mad, I know you smile when you're sad. I know there's fellas out there faking it to get you in your bed. I know your girlfriend's always walking, talking shit behind your back, but just know that I've always course corrected you before you crash, so I'll be there for you, and I'ma care for you. And you can bet your bottom dollar if you need me, you can holler. So let's just act like we're in love tonight. Well, alright.
You kinda drive me wild, got my mind running for miles, and I still make you smile. If you were here, I'd stay a while. For you, I will do anything you ask me to. My taste of earth's just for you. And we turned away, but we know we want to stay. Why did we go on our own ways? I'm coming back to you, for you, to you. I'm coming back to you,